Yo ho, what's going on, guys? So, hope you guys had a fantastic week. A little late video here. Just had some things to tie up with the family here, so still want to get a video out. It's sure weekend, so I won't be around tomorrow morning, so I'll be busy with military things, but still want to get a video out about kind of what happened this week in the market. Um, Obviously, I still think we're drawing up here on NQ. I still think our final markup is here up to 16. 264. You see, it's finally we just got kind of a chill week. Kind of like whenever you're in these like market maker buy models, like sell model, buy model up. You have these kind of consolidation areas where you form like OBs, OB, like order block here, and now we're just kind of chilling here. Uh, just kind of consolidating. Like if the market was ready to reject here, we would already see displacement down, right? So like that was kind of telling today on ES. Remember we had targets up here. We had these 45.97 equal highs. That were our targets this morning coming into today. You see, we took those out. So if we were expecting the market to dump after we took these highs, you would see strong displacement down here on your 15-minute, your hourly charts. Like strong candles like these ones, but on the hourly chart showing, okay, price took the liquidity that it was after. Now we're ready to go down and take liquidity here to the downside, maybe fill in some of these daily FVGs that are still unbalanced down here. But as you see, we actually closed above 45.97 here. Price is displacing over this high. So I think our next target here on ES is up here to 46.11. And then you see NQ still has unfinished business up here at 16.264. So right now, I still think, I mean, on the higher time frame, we're still bullish here. Shorts can still be profitable here. I mean, you can still find shorts here in this market, especially this week, where we're just kind of just chopping around here. But the biggest thing this week that I seen on NQ was this 8-hour fair value gap. So if you look here, see this 8 hour, just one, two, three, four, five times we tapped into it, and we never closed below it. So my condition was if we close below this 8 hour, I expected us to come down and tap into this weekly FEG here. You see here on forget what day this was. I think it was actually yesterday. I think yesterday we came down here and I was like, oh, we're gonna tap into this weekly, because on Wednesday I was like, oh, I mean it's possible we come back down from here, we tap into this weekly, and then we go up higher. However, the market had different plans here because we held this 4 hour, right? We had this little 4 hour BPR here. We had to inverse back up. We had this 4 hour here, and then to go in line with that 8 hour, you see we're still holding the 4 hour here. So, like I said, and I said that today. I was like, as long as this 4 hour still holds, there's nothing to be bearish about. If we break this, then we're going down to 837. We're going to fill in that weekly FEG. But we held this, and then price went back higher, and I said I want to see. So yeah, going into Sunday, Monday, I want to see us inverse this 4 hour here. If we can close over this 4 hour here up at that 1630 range, then I mean we should be smooth sailing up to 1698, and on ES that should take us up to that 4611 area about the same time here. And then one more thing that I have been paying attention to is we have this volume imbalance up here on ES. It takes us up to that 4640 level, but as you guys know, we need to see strong displacement up through, this high and then up through 4611. If we start displacing up through 4611 without, like, oh, it's just a liquidity grab and now we're going lower, with the 15-minute, the hourly displacement back lower, if we don't get that, then we know like our next targets are 4640 here on ES, and then NQ is most likely going to grab for 207 and 264, and then we'll have to go with those highs from there. But right now, still nothing to really be bearish about on the higher time frame, right? Like nothing says short. I mean, you're still getting daily candles like this on ES and NQ. YM is still taking high after high, like, and when you're putting in daily candles like this, like why you don't want to short, you're basically trying to short a freight train and guess you're essentially gambling. Uh, I mean, like you just don't want to be caught in this because like if you go look at like DIA daily, I mean, if you're looking at this on like a 5 minute chart, right? And you're like, oh, 5 minute lows taken here, sell model, buy model back up here. I mean, if we're displacing up, look, we're displacing up through this high, through this high. Where else would the market be going to chase liquidity to chase those those sell stops that are sitting up here? Like, okay, I think it's obvious the market is going to at least go up here to 369 and take these highs. So, it's still very bullish. Like this market's not going to dump until YM or the Dow like decide to finally cool down here because like daily candles like this you just don't want to get in the way of, and obviously YM is going to pull up ES as we've seen today, and then obviously tech has been lagging, but I think it's due to catch up because YM and ES are not going to let it dump. Let's take a quick look at DXY. We've been looking at that a little more lately here. I think the big thing here is let's go off the weekly chart here. So the big thing here is obviously we took these daily equal lows we were targeting. Um, Remember we had daily order block here, these two up close candles, and then a down close candle like validated this as an order block. You see we came up, tapped into it, rejected it, came back down. This candle, the body of this candle closed below the open of this candle, came back down, rejected it once, came back down, came down, took those equal lows down here, and then obviously yesterday we came back up, we retested this order block, and then today we straight up rejected this order block. We rejected, let's see if this was like this the CE of it. If you look at it, like you see it's like pretty much the exact middle of this order block with these two candles. Might expect a little more downside here on DXY going into next week, and then you see there's a little tiny fair value gap here as well. DXY did put in another weekly FEG right here and up here, so it is possible we get some kind of like retracement back up here, maybe up here, and then lower. I am expecting lower prices on DXY, while especially while the indices are still showing bullish here. So really, I think that's about it. I'll obviously have another video out on Sunday evening, morning, or Monday morning, and then looking at what we're expecting going into the week. But yeah, we'll have another 12 hourly candles here on NQES, and then we can look at price action from there. But yeah, still a bullish sentiment going into next week because I think we have unfinished business up here at all these highs at 98, 200, and 264. So with that, hope you guys have a fantastic weekend, and we will catch you on Monday.